Yeah. And we're back. Started off this morning with
going to where the miracle of the loaves and fishes took place.
Fish
So the rock,
and 5 loaves of bread.
Yeah.
So that's what we showed earlier. Hey, Linda! Hey, what's up?
Been joined by a special guest. Linda will tell you about this place.
Where are we now?
The Church of the Beatitudes.
Got it. What happened here?
The Sermon on the Mount.
Ding, ding, ding. Now we're just gonna walk the grounds a bit.
Okay.
To the beach. There's like 3 over there. What are they? 4, 5? It's like their habitat. There's like 6 right there. What are they? There's so many of them. They're everywhere. They're literally everywhere. Oh, sorry. Some of them look scary. Do I hear growling?
Yeah, which is from that period of time. He's standing on the remains of Corinthians from the time of Jesus. Okay. And you can see the gable over there of the synagogue, and they think that it looks either like this or like that.
Capernaum,
Yep.
which is the town of Jesus.
Gotta be respectful.
Yeah, we have to cover our shoulders in most of these areas. Burning up hot, so you know I had my jean jacket on earlier, so I switched to my sweater, but they're both about the same. I'm sweating either way. But we're listening to our tour guide, Nola. All right, so we're entering now.
This was Capernaum, this is Capernaum. Begins teaching in Nazareth. We spoke about the fact that he wasn't terribly well accepted. He didn't want to throw him out of the city. Comes to Capernaum, where there were people that were receptive to what he had to say. Starts gathering his disciples. And this is his Galilee place. It's believed to be where Peter's house, the place where Jesus healed Peter's mother-in-law. First Sabbath that Jesus spends in Capernaum teaching in the synagogue, which is underneath that white structure. We'll get there closer in a minute.
Stand in the synagogue.
Apparently, I'm standing in a synagogue.
Where they believe maybe Jesus
Was
preached.
Okay, we're gonna walk down a series of carvings over here. We've come to St. Peter's restaurant for lunch. And here we're supposed to have fish, it's fried tilapia. And I think they also said they have kebabs available. So I'm gonna kebab it. Jamie's on the injured list.
I don't want you to see the hostile look at his family face.
Why? But why? why? But why? Lunch is served. Fish all around. Everybody's eating fish. And then I got chicken. Bam. Let's eat. Okay, so we're back where we were yesterday. And today we're getting on the boat. So what's it called again?
A boat.
I know it's a boat. We're on the Sea of Galilee. Is it a Galilee boat?
Yes.
Okay. Christina.
Oh, hey. As we're walking to...
Where are we walking to?
To the boat.
What boat?
To get on
That boat.
the boat ahead of us, yeah. To experience life on the Sea of Galilee.
Word.
As earlier today, it was just on this very sea, a different coast, where we heard that Jesus told the disciples to cast the net on the other side. And then they were able to catch so many fish that they're not.
So many.
So many.
Like 153?
Yeah.
153.
Jumping out is prohibited. Noah 902, that's us. Mama knows. Ciao.
Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Ciao. Ciao. Ciao.
Good morning.
Certificates? You! Blank space. World's okay. Alrighty. Boat ride is done. Next stop, off to the River Jordan for baptisms. This is the last stop for the day. Boat ride was great. Ooh, swim prohibited. Okay, we're down by the River Jordan, where people are going to be baptized. I think there's 11 from our group who decided to go, so they'll be back in a minute. See those little fishies? They keep coming to the surface.
Baptize you in the name of the Father, the Son.
That was good. I see all of you.
River Jordan! You know, it was over the Jordan River that when Jesus was baptized by John the Baptist, that the heavens opened up and appeared a dove, and you heard,
This is my son, in whom I am well pleased.
Fun fact.
Fun fact.
Fun fact.
Get ice with your pomegranate.